Hey guys, in our today's episode I will show the specification of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start. The design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 7.8mm slim and weighs 175 grams. 1-dot display. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus mobile features a 6.4 inches, 16.26 centimeters, display with a screen resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels and runs on Android v9.0, Pie. 2-dot performance. The device is powered by Octa-core, 2.73 GHz, dual-core, M4 Mongoose plus 2.31 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A75 plus 1.95 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55, processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. And it has a fingerprint sensor. Battery. The battery is concerned it has 4100 mAh. Camera. Camera is concerned this mobile has a 12MP plus 12MP plus 16MP camera. Other sensors include a light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. 5-dot game. Graphical performance that can make games run smoothly. This phone has got a Mali G76 MP12 GPU. Onboard storage is at 128 GB with the option to expand the memory by yet up to 512 GB.